YouTube, Angie here with Elevation DIY, and today we're in spray paint land again. I am spraying the two little cabinets that are going to go into our bathroom that's downstairs. It's like the powder room. The colors that we have is like a yellow and white, and so I'm spray painting some cabinets that I had those same colors, and I've completed the job. But in this video I'm going to show you step by step how I did that, what I used, and I'm not sponsored by anyone. But I did get the products from Lowe's and Home Depot. You gotta love Lowe's, you gotta love Home Depot. So we're gonna go ahead and get started, and I'll be visiting this area in my backyard from time to time because I am doing some spray painting of some old things and refreshing them to new, and some new things, making them different with colors that coordinate with our current colors that we have throughout our house. I bought this little handle thing that was supposed to help me with spray paint. It died on me. You'll see in the video, it died on me. So, but maybe it's because I got the cheaper version. So if you get the more expensive version, it might work for you, but mine's died on me. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get started. But if you like DIYs, hit that like button for me, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any videos that we upload. I am in the process of trying to bring it all together, and I want to make sure that I get out to you guys videos and footage of what I'm doing. I'm trying to stay ahead of where we are in the process. We've completed quite a few rooms, and I know I haven't got those videos out, but I am trying to. I want to wait till they get put together more, but I think I am going to just go ahead and start uploading them and getting them out. I am so happy to have you here, and I hope that something that I'm doing is able to give you some ideas about refreshing your home and doing something different in your home in a very inexpensive way. DIY, do it yourself on a budget. So let's get started. Okay, so these are the two cabinets that I'm going to be spray painting. I'm going to be spray painting them in yellow as well as white, and this is the 2x spray paint by Rust-Oleum. It allows you to not have to do so many coatings because it's supposed to cover 2 times as better. So I'm going to be spray painting these two cabinets and the baskets. The baskets in the drawer are going to be yellow, and the cabinets themselves will be white. This tool that you see here on the spray can, that's supposed to help alleviate the pressure from holding down the spray can, and this thing broke on me. I think it's because I got the cheaper version, but we're going to use it as much as we can. So for this project, I'm going to be doing multiple layers, and you want to do it that way you don't get clumping, you don't get drip marks, and it allows for a much smoother finish. So this is going to be my first go pass, and it takes about 15 minutes between the layers for it to dry. So I'm going to be going from cabinet to cabinet. That's going to eat up that time for me to go right back and spray paint the other cabinet again. And then I'm going to do the drawers separately. You will want to use goggles as well as maybe a face mask if you're sensitive to spray paint, but I'm outside, so I didn't have to wear a mask, and I totally forgot my safety glasses. But nevertheless, we're going to go ahead and get finished with spray painting these. And if you, as you see here, I'm going past the cabinet, and you want to do that. That helps also cut down on any drip marks and running. Um, so spray and painting this, I'm only going to be spray painting the back of the lower level of this cabinet because the top level has a drawer. So I am going to make sure that I get great coverage at the bottom. The top, not so much, but you can, if that's what you want to do, you can do that. So yeah, if that's what you want to do. And I am not going as fast as this video is showing you, but thanks to technology, I'm speeding it up. But you want to go back and do several coats. As I stated before, don't judge what you see right now because this is only the first coat. So I'm applying the second coat on this one, and then I'll go and apply the second coat to the other one. So for the drawers, as I told you before, they're going to be yellow, and just to let you in on a secret, in this video they're yellow, but I took it to the bathroom and I looked at the color against the wallpaper and the paint that we put up. We kind of toned it down a little bit from this bright yellow. So when you see the bathroom reveal, you'll see that the colors of the drawers have changed because I'm going to actually go in and spray paint them a different color. But this is just to let you see how they turned out in the yellow. Now with the baskets being somewhat of a fabric material, it was soaking the paint up, like sucking it up. So I had to do a lot more coatings on that so I could kind of get rid of that gray on the outside, and I didn't spray the inside of the baskets. I'm leaving them that color, but as you can see here, that gray was still peeking through. So I had to go back and do several coats on those. So here's number 3. This is our third time going over the cabinet itself. So, and as you can see here, the black on this cabinet is still kind of poking through, even though this is supposed to be 2 times the coverage. So I'm going to go ahead and respray paint that again. And can you see that gray still peeking through? So I had to go back yet again and spray those drawers. So this is just a tip for you. If you have something that's kind of like a fabric, it may take a little longer, but here's the final results of spray painting them. And guys, this is my backyard. It's such a peaceful place. I'm calling it spray paint land. I just love it back here. If you haven't If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe. I'll see you soon.